Hey everybody, welcome to the latest episode of redgtv. Today we're going to be working on a stock tank pool. If anybody doesn't know what a stock tank is it's the big metal kind of buckets, I guess, that they use to fill with water so that stock like cattle and horses have somewhere to get a drink. So they've been quite popular for pools, and we're going to be working on the one that you see down there, which is a stock tank pool. Included in this episode is also some installation of beach stone and some more alterations to the fence. So let's get going. So step number one when you're putting in a tiny pool, or in this case a stock tank pool, is making sure the ground is level. So imagine this glass is the container for the pool, or the pool frame. In this case would be the metal stock tank, and I've used iced tea here instead of water so you can see that when I hold it up, it's level. So that's going to be the ultimate result of what we want when the pool is installed. If it's not level, the pool is going to be crooked like that, and the water will maintain being level, so it definitely will not look right. So first thing you need to do is outline the area of the size of the pool, the stock tank that you're putting in. So in this case, the one we're using here is 7 feet in diameter, so that is a 7-foot circle that's been drawn. The easiest way to do that is just to find the sort of center point that's 3.5 feet from each edge. Cut a piece of string that's 3.5 feet long, put a post in the middle, and then just walk around with a stick to drag the outline of the diameter, and you'll end up with 7 feet from point to point diameter. Stock tank has finally arrived. So this is it in its raw format, obviously. 7-footer, so it's pretty big. One of the first things I've done is I've extended the deck, created like a little curved area where the stock tank pool is going to fit into, just so that fits into the overall deck a little better, and a few more spots to sit and sort of dangle your feet or whatever. So next step now is to get some limestone and level this all off, and then once that's done, the pool can be placed back into its spot, and then we got to work on installing the pump, which is going to hide under that section right there. In this case, I used a sand called jointing sand. That's what they use to put between interlocking bricks, and it's designed to kind of bond, and it won't wash away like regular sand. So you can use this, you can use limestone. You just need something basically that's gonna stay put, create, like I said, a stable base, and something that's designed to kind of form and not wash away into the dirt once it gets wet. Yeah, so that's what you want for the base. And this stock tank is 7 foot diameter, so 7 foot around footprint. And so to fill that space with the sand, it was 6 bags in total. So that's how the pool stock tank looks now that it's fit into the extension I made on the deck. So it fits pretty good. All right, so the pool is in place and installed, and almost there. Just gotta wait for some caulking to dry on those 2 inlets, and we're gonna fill her up. I can show you what I did with the pump. So we got the deck here, obviously built in, and and just created openings in the deck, obviously, so I can access. There's the one inlet, and there's the pump. So just waiting on one more hose to show up from Amazon, and it's time to fire this bad boy up. Let's go. There it is, final version of the stock tank pool.
redgtv on YouTube.